So currently we just sold the Antec DP301M computer. I'll put a picture of it on screen right now. The guy's buying the computer without the hard drive for some reason for $680. Not the best deal, not the worst deal, but I'm still making a pretty good profit. Anyways, I'll update you guys if the guy comes.
Hello. You have the money?
I guess Chinese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are
you? Mix Chinese and Spanish.
Yeah.
Please count it.
Yep. I'll count it.
Yeah. So you mentioned that look, I work in the in the
Computer forensic.
Man.
Yeah.
So pretty much involved with a lot of things in computer.
Yeah.
So I know you're planning to buy Apple computer, right?
Yeah, buy an Apple computer.
So I think you could get it because in University of Auckland, like most of their Apple computers, they sold it to.
Yep.
Actually, this is for my son.
Oh, okay.
He's doing some.
How old is your child?
15.
Oh, that's good.
Yep. It's the money.
He's video editing.
Video editing, right?
Some image processing.
Yep.
Because I help him to earn money.
Yep.
Not only just playing games. I work in pretty much in different government agencies.
Again, yeah.
That's why if you have any questions, I just let you know.
Yeah, just let me know. No
Yeah,
problem. Yep.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Thank you very much.
Day.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. So pretty much that's how you make this is $680. So that's 3 computers sold. We still have 1, 2, 3. Actually, probably 2. We still have 2 computers well, technically 2 computers, but we can count 3, and we still have 1 more computer to build. Another computer which still needs a case. It needs a case. And needs a graphics card. We have the storage, we have the Wi-Fi cards. And right now we're pretty much just waiting on our GTX 960, which still hasn't come. Hopefully it comes next week. Apparently it was overnight shipping. So currently we were just filming a bit of the Potato PC video, and I was trying to pick something up for the Potato PC video. Anyways, we picked a GTX 980. The guy listed it for $500, but I just got it for $320. Great graphics card. Well, when we get home, we'll clean it, and that's 1 more PC done. We still have 1 left to go, and we're still waiting on that GTX 960. I don't think it will come this week, as it's the weekend already, so hopefully it comes next week. Then we have 2 computers done by next week. So, see you guys in the studio. So we're back home. GTX 980 for $320. So for the GTX 980, we've got to clean it up, and we can hopefully put this into one of the other gaming PCs which don't have a graphics card. As you've seen before, the GTX 960 still hasn't arrived. What the fuck? I'm gonna give this a crack open, clean it up, do a repaste. It's the graphics card. Pretty much what you do is I'm gonna brush this up, get some isopropyl alcohol, take that film paste off, and then after that put some new film paste on. And today, for the first time, I'm gonna try out a new film paste spreading pattern, which is the X. Apparently the X is better, having more equal coverage, so I'll try that out today. Anyways, cut back to a montage. I've changed is definitely the film paste application direction and how I apply it. I used to just do a dot in the middle, but now I'm going to try this new one where it's an X. There you go. That is an X. So, GPU cleaned. Let's start testing. So as you saw there, this does pretty well in Unity Heaven. It is around about 3,500 points. When the GTX 970 does around about 3,000 points. So yep, this is just maybe a tiny bit better than a GTX 970, but in games it'll definitely be better than a GTX 970. This performs similarly to a GTX 1060 6GB, but this one only has 4GB of VRAM. So we know this graphics card works. We know this graphics card works. We know how it performs. That's one more computer done. We still have one more to go. That's still in parts. We still have to find a case for it. But I feel like we're taking a good risk, and hopefully this computer sells. Currently, this is a new day, a new deal. We just found an RX 570. The guy is on his listing of $250, which is already not bad price. I asked for his lowest price. He came back with $230, and right now I'm gonna pick it up. Update you then. We just got this RX 570 for $230. These things are usually listed onto Facebook for $500, which is a very terrible price. But this thing performs better than a GTX 770, performs better than a GTX 960, performs better than a 1050 Ti. It has 4GB of VRAM. It's not the 8GB version, but to be honest, it doesn't really matter. And the guy said he did not do any crypto mining on this, which is good, because cards at this price probably being crypto mined on, but I don't think, the guy said he didn't do any crypto mining on it. So we'll clean it, we'll benchmark it, and see how good it performs. So, see you in the studio. So we're back home, and here is the RX 570. Pretty much as I showed you in the car. What we're gonna do is just give it a clean and test it out, benchmark it, compare it to the GTX 980 and other GPUs that I have in the studio. Anyways, let's start cleaning. Anyways, I'm gonna run a couple more benchmarks to see like how good this graphics card performs in games like Just Cause 4, GTA 5, and Fortnite. So, without further ado, let's get cracking. Okay, so exercising on a more happy note, we found a GTX 760 for $60. We got it last time, and I believe it was part 2. We got a GTX 770
the GTX 660 for how much? For $40. So for $60 for a 760 is not a bad deal. We have a potential buyer for the 1050 Ti PC for $875. He says he'll buy it tomorrow. Hopefully he does. If there are any more updates, I'll update you guys. So update on the RX 570 PC. Yeah, I think I've sold it. They're offering 900, which I'm fine with. 910. But currently it's pretty much a bidding war. Some guy wanted to offer 900. I told the guy offered 900. I was like, you get a little more, it's yours. Now he offered the same amount, and now they're just going back and forth. That's the equivalent of trade me bidding on Facebook. If you're liking this PC flipping content, smash that like button, subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video. Hey Matt, how you doing? Yep, this is the PC. See?
Oh, just put it down there, bro, and you can count the cash.
Yep.
Yeah, bro.
Look how much $20 bills this is. It's so easy.